this is Laura Riker with MarineMax in Columbia, South Carolina. Going to do a walkthrough on the 2018 2140 Sport NauticStar. As you can see, it's got the white hull on it. Stainless steel upgrades. It has the bimini top on this one. Step up ladder. Yamaha 150 motor. Stainless prop. You have your two flip-up seats in the back. Live well. You got the flip back seat right here that adjusts. Large cooler. Infinity stereo. You got your USB inputs and also 12-volt charger. Storage underneath the helm. Fish rod holders. Battery cut on and off switch. Live well. All your storage up front. Anchor locker. Also prep if you want to put a trolling motor. And this concludes the 2018 2140 Sport NauticStar. If you have any questions, give us a call, 803-732-1104. Thank you.